In this video, you will learn how to fix MetaTrader 5 login authentication failed. Check your login credentials. Ensure your login ID, account number and password, and account type are all correct. Copy credentials directly from your broker to avoid any typos. Save the correct server. Choose the exact server name given by your broker. If it is not listed, make sure to add a new broker option or search it manually. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet is stable. Switch networks or restart your router if you need to. Use the correct platform. MetaTrader 4 and 5 accounts are not compatible. Ensure you're using MetaTrader 5 for MetaTrader 5 credentials. Update and reinstall MetaTrader 5. An outdated or faulty installation can cause real issues. Reinstall to the latest version of MetaTrader 5. Contact your broker. If the issue still persists, make sure to contact your broker to confirm your login details, server and account status. Try another device. Log in to MetaTrader 5 on a different device to rule out local issues. Now you know how to fix MetaTrader 5 login authentication failed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.